Hello students, we have completed all the exercises of chapter 1 except question answers. I hope all of you have done that exercises in the copy. Now I am sending you the answers of the questions exercise 4 and 5 page number 9. Read the answers well and write down in the copy carefully. Exercise 4, question number 1. List the different parts of the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of 3 parts: blood vessels, heart, blood. Number 2. Where is the heart located in the human body? The heart is located to the left of the middle of the chest cavity. Number 3. What are atria and ventricles? The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atria and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Number 4. What is the main role of blood in the human body? Blood carries oxygen, nutrients and water to different parts of our bodies. It also carries waste products away from the organs for excretion. Number 5. What is the difference between oxygenated and deoxygenated blood? Oxygenated blood, blood that is rich in oxygen, and deoxygenated blood, blood that is rich in carbon dioxide. Next, exercise 5. Answer the following questions. Number 1. List 2 functions of each part of the human circulatory system. Blood vessels. They carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body and back to the heart. They carry oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of our bodies. It keeps the blood flowing continuously in the blood vessels. Blood. It carries oxygen, nutrients and water to different parts of our bodies. It carries waste products away from the organs for excretion. Number 2. Write the differences between different kinds of blood vessels. Arteries carry blood from the heart to other parts of the body. Carry blood that is rich in oxygen. Thickest blood vessels. Veins carry blood from different parts of the body back to the heart. Carry blood that is rich in carbon dioxide. Thinner than arteries. Capillaries. They form a network that connects arteries and veins. Thinnest blood vessels. What is unique about the pulmonary artery and the pulmonary vein? The pulmonary artery carries carbon dioxide rich blood. The pulmonary vein carries oxygen rich blood. What do you understand by heartbeat? The rhythmic movement of the heart while pumping blood is called a heartbeat. And the last question, write some ways to keep the heart healthy and strong. Regularly exercise for at least 30 minutes in a day. Avoid consuming carbonated drinks and fried food. Participate more in outdoor sports and activities. Avoid polluted surroundings. Do all these exercises in the science copy, and you have one more homework to do. Draw blood vessels and human heart in the science copy, blank side of the copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.